So chocolate Star Brioche, we've let this, look how beautiful it is, and it's just soft and plump. It's risen up quite a bit. We've let it rise for about 20 minutes, covered in a nice warm spot. I'll cover it in milk, just brush it in milk, gives it a little bit of a shine. And then we're going to bake this. So I've got the small ones here on the side that you can see, and I was in a little bit of a hurry and I didn't let them rise, and as you can see they're not quite as fluffy, I guess, as you'd wish them to be, but when you're in a hurry you just go for it, and they might be a little more dense than they normally should be, so have them with coffee or champagne. Okay, here we go. So this will go into the oven. We'll bake it and then we'll have a look at it when it comes out. We have to ice it.